Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find watch videos on TikTok. So if you want to find the videos that you have already watched, then I can help you with it. So first you need to go to the TikTok app, open the TikTok app, tap on profile. So after tapping on profile, you can see the three bar icon on the top right corner. So you need to tap on the three bar icon. After that, go to settings and privacy. Going to settings and privacy, there are various options for you that manage account privacy, security and login. So there are various options. So you can check the content and activity. So there are push notifications, live events, language, watch history, content preferences. So there is an option called watch history. So you need to tap on watch history. So after tapping on watch history, so you can see there are various videos that you have watched. So these are all the videos that you have already watched on TikToks. So this is the way to find watch videos on TikTok. So if you find this video useful, please share and like the video, and please subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you very much.